Top 5 Best Outdoor Cat Enclosures. Number 5. Outback Jack Kitty Compound Playhouse. Here's the scoop on the Outback Jack Kitty Compound Playhouse, a spacious, lightweight, and portable outdoor cat enclosure that goes beyond the norm to provide your cat with a secure outdoor playground. The joy this product brings to cats is unmatched. It ticks off all the boxes that a cat parent could ask for in an outdoor cat enclosure, making it a perfect choice for those who want to let their indoor cats experience the thrill of the outdoors in a safe and controlled environment. The spaciousness of this enclosure offers over 30 square feet of playing area, which allows your furry friends to explore, chase, and pounce freely, bringing out their natural instincts. They'll have space to run, relax, or simply observe their surroundings from the safety of their enclosure. You can watch your cat leap, chase, or just sunbathe, all in the safety of this thoughtfully designed playhouse. The Outback Jack Kitty Compound Playhouse's design isn't only about aesthetics, but also, more importantly, about function. The enclosure is made from durable, breathable mesh, keeping bugs out while letting fresh air in. The zippered doors at both ends ensure easy access, while the tunnel attachment offers extra play options. It's also designed for straightforward assembly, and its lightweight nature makes it easy to move around your yard or even bring along on your travels. Coming in number 4. Kitty City Outdoor Mega Kit. Stepping into the world of outdoor cat enclosures, the Kitty City Outdoor Mega Kit rises to the occasion as a perfect sanctuary for your furry friends. Offering a unique blend of design, space, and user-friendly features, it serves as an idyllic playground that respects the natural instincts of your cat, while providing a safe haven for them to frolic and rest. This isn't just any outdoor enclosure, it's a marvelous piece of cat-friendly architecture that redefines the meaning of fun for your feline companions. Boasting a lightweight yet sturdy structure, this enclosure enhances the play experience with a breathable nylon mesh design, allowing fresh air to circulate, while also providing a clear view of your playful cats. The included cubby cubes can be repositioned within the structure, keeping things fresh and exciting for your cats. No need to worry about having multiple cats either. The Kitty City Mega Kit accommodates a small clouder with ease, enabling them to run, hide, and chase freely. Moreover, the convenience of this enclosure is evident in its accessibility. A zip door on the side makes it easy to reach in, whether it's mealtime or time for some cuddling. Want to expand your cat's kingdom? The Mega Kit can easily be connected with other Kitty City mesh playsets via tunnels, offering endless opportunities to customize your feline's playground. In addition, the compact footprint of the Kitty City Outdoor Mega Kit makes it a great balcony cat enclosure for apartment dwellers. Its design ensures it comfortably fits into small spaces, providing your cat with an outdoor experience without requiring a large backyard. Coming in number 3. PawHut Small MultiLevel Platforms Cat Cage. Let's talk about the PawHut Small MultiLevel Platforms Catio, an outdoor cat enclosure that offers your feline friends a safe and enjoyable spot to take in the outdoors. It's a lifesaver for pet owners who yearn to see their pets relish in the fresh air and sunny days, but dread the potential risks associated with unsupervised outdoor exploration. The PawHut Catio beautifully combines the best of both worlds, the thrill of the outdoors with the safety of an enclosed space. This enclosure exhibits an excellent design, spacious enough for your kitty to lounge, play, or explore. Plus, the oversized front door adds to its charm by providing easy access. When your pet gets a bit too adventurous or rowdy, you can simply close the door, and voila! Peace restored. Notably, the weather protection is on point, featuring a flat roof covered with asphalt to keep your furry friends dry during unexpected rain showers. The PawHut Catio doesn't just stop there. It raises the bar higher with 3-tiered shelving, allowing your cats to jump, climb, and relax on different levels, satiating their natural curiosity and active lifestyle. Truly, it is an ideal sanctuary for your cats to enjoy the great outdoors without any compromises on their safety and comfort. Coming in number 2. Aivituvin Air 22 Catio Outdoor Cat House. Are you the proud parent of some adventure-loving felines? If so, the Aivituvin Air 22 Catio Outdoor Cat House could be a game-changer for your family. With an intelligent design aimed at maximizing your pet's enjoyment and safety, it strikes an ideal balance between indoor comfort and outdoor exploration. Nestled perfectly into compact yards or balconies, this outdoor cat enclosure provides a novel solution for introducing your indoor cat to the outside world without compromising their safety. Crafted from durable fir wood and reinforced with an extra strength strip, this Catio is designed to withstand both weather and wear, ensuring its longevity. The waterproof roof offers shelter from the elements, allowing your cat to enjoy the outdoors in any weather condition. On wheels for easy maneuverability, this Catio also features brake casters, enhancing safety by allowing the enclosure to be secured in place. This Aivituvin creation comes equipped with multiple levels of platforms, providing a fun-filled, multi-tiered playground that encourages healthy activity in your pets. With a small resting house inside, the Catio also offers a private space for rest and relaxation. The incorporation of a clever window design lets your pets enjoy unrestricted access between the house and the enclosure, promoting free movement and exploration. Coming in number 1. PawHut Large Wooden Outdoor Cat House. Imagine a peaceful retreat for your cat where they can enjoy the sensory delight of the outdoors while remaining safely contained. The PawHut Large Wooden Outdoor Cat House makes this possible. This enclosure is not only a functional space but also an aesthetically pleasing addition to your backyard. Its modern and natural style, with the durability of fir wood, is designed to provide a comfortable and engaging experience for your cat. One of the standout features of the PawHut is its multi-tiered main house. It's complete with a ventilated window, sliding door, small hinged door, and a ramp for easy access. These thoughtful details allow your cat to explore, play, and rest within the enclosure, keeping them entertained and safe. The PawHut's durable fir wood construction, coupled with its wire enclosure, offers longevity and reliability. It's sealed with a pet-friendly sealant that adds to the resilience of the product, ensuring that your feline friends can enjoy the outdoors in a secure environment. Moreover, the weatherproof design, featuring a flat roof covered with asphalt, protects against both sun and rain.